హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం ఒక కొత్త జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం. అదే పోకెమాన్ ఎమరాల్డ్ జర్నీ. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ది వీడియో. Game Free presents. Hi, sorry to keep you waiting. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Birch, but everyone calls me the Pokemon Professor. This is what we call a Pokemon. This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemons. We, we humans live alongside Pokemons at times as friendly playmates and at times as cooperative workmates, and sometimes we band together and battle other like us. But despite our closeness, we don't know everything about Pokemons. In fact, there are many secrets surrounding Pokemons. To unravel Pokemon mystery, I had been undertaking research. That's what I do. And you are? Are you a boy or a girl? Boy. Alright, what's your name? నా పేరు నా పేరు మీ అందరికి తెలుసుగా, జాక్. So it's Jack, yes. Oh yeah, you are Jack, who's moving to my hometown of Little Root. I got it now. Alright, are you ready? Your very own adventure is about to unfold. Take courage and leap into the world of Pokemons where dreamed adventure and friendships await. Well, I'll expecting your later. Come see me in my Pokemon lab. Jack, we're here, honey. It must be tiring riding with our things in the moving truck. Well, this is Little Road Town. How do you like it? This is our new home. It has a quaint feel, but it seems to be an easy place to live, don't you think? And you get your own room, Jack. Let's go inside. See, Jack, isn't it nice in here too? The mover Pokemon do all the works of moving us in and cleaning up after. This is so convenient. Jack, your room is upstairs. Go check it out, dear. Dad bought you a new clock to mark our move here. Don't forget to set it. Better start it. Set it and start. One. One. 18. Yes. Jack, how do you like your new room? Good. Everything's put away neatly. They finished moving everything in downstairs too. Pokemon movers are so convenient. Oh, you should make sure that everything's all there on your desk. Jack flipped open the notebook. Adventure rule number 1. Open the menu and start with start. Adventure rule number 2. Record your progress with save. The remaining pages are blank. Oh, Jack, quick, come quick. Look, it's Peterburg. Petalburg Gym. Maybe Dad will be on. We brought you this report from in front of Peterburg Gym. Oh, it's over. I think Dad was on, but we missed him too bad. Oh yeah, one of Dad's friend live in the town. Professor Birch is his name. He lives right next door, so you should go over and introduce yourself. Oh, hello. And you are? Oh, you are Jack, our new next door neighbor. Hi. We have a daughter about the same age as you. Our daughter was excited about making a new friend. Our daughter is upstairs, I think. Huh? Who are you? Oh, you are Jack. So your move was today. I am May. Glad to meet you. I have the dream of becoming friends with Pokemons all over the world. I heard about you, Jack, from my dad, Professor Birch. I was hoping that you would be nice, Jack, and that we could be friends. Oh, this is silly, isn't it? I have just met you, Jack. Ah. Oh no, I forgot. I was supposed to go help Dad catch some wild Pokemons. Jack, I will catch you later. Huh, Professor Birch? The professor's away on fieldwork. He isn't here. Oh, let me explain what fieldwork is. It is to study things in the nature environment like fields and mountains instead of a laboratory. The professor isn't one for doing desk work. He is the type of person who would rather go outside and experience things than read about them here. Hi. There are there are scary Pokemon outside. I can hear their crying. I want to go see what's going on, but I don't have any Pokemon. Can you go see what's happened for me? Help! Help me! Hello, you over there, please help. In my bag there are Pokeballs. Torchic, Trico, Mudkip. Trico. Phew. I was in the tall grass studying wild Pokemons when I was jumped. You saved me. Thanks a lot. Oh, hi, you are Jack. This is not the place to chat. So come by my Pokemon lab later, okay? So Jack, I have heard so much about you from your father. I heard that you don't have your own Pokemon yet, but the way you battled earlier, you pulled it off with a plum. I guess you have your father's blood in your veins after all. Oh, yes, as thanks for rescuing me, I would like to have the Pokemon you used earlier. Jack received the Trico. While you are at 8, why not give a nickname to the Trico? No. If you work at Pokemon and gain experience, I think you will make an extremely good trainer. My kid May is also studying Pokemon while helping me out. Jack, don't you think it might be a good idea to go see May? Yes. Great. May should be happy too. Get May to teach you what it means to be trainer. What the? No, I don't need any Torchic now. In fact, I want to catch it, but there is no Pokeball. Oh, what the? Please, 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 no Torchic. Level 6. Let's say the Pokemon found on Route 1 or 3 include. Oh, hi Jack. Oh, I see my dad gave you a Pokemon as a gift. Since we are here, let's have a quick battle. I'll give you a taste of what being a trainer is like. I think I know why my dad has an eye out for you now. I mean, you just got that Pokemon, but it really likes you. You might be able to be friend any kind of Pokemon easily. Well, it's time to head back to the lab. Sandra. Jack, over here. Let's hurry home. Oh, hi Jack. I heard you beat May on your first try. That's excellent. May has been helping with my research for a long time. May has an extensive history as a trainer already. Here, Jack, I ordered this for you for my research, but I think you should have this Pokédex. The Pokédex is high-tech tool that automatically makes a record of any Pokemon you meet or catch. My kid May goes everywhere with it. Whenever my kid catches a rare Pokemon and records its data in the Pokédex, why May looks for me while I'm out doing field work and show me. Oh wow, Jack, you got a Pokédex too. That's great, just like me. I have got something for you too. Obtain the Pokeballs. Jack put away the Pokeballs in the Pokeballs bucket. It's fun if you can get a lot of Pokemon. I am going to look all over the place because I want different Pokemon. If I find any cute Pokemon, I will catch them with Pokeballs. Countless Pokemon awaits you. I am getting the itch to get out and do field work again. I wonder where I should go look for next Pokemon next. Wait, Jack. Jack, did you introduce yourself to Professor Birch? Oh, what an adorable Pokemon you got it from Professor Birch. How nice. You are you are you are your father's child. All right. You look good together with Pokemon. Here, honey. If you are going out on an adventure, wear these running shoes. They'll put a zip in your step. Jack switched running shoes with the running shoe. To think that you have your very own Pokemon now, your father will be overjoyed. But please be careful. If anything happens, you can come home. Go on, go get them, honey. ఓకే ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఒక పోకెమాన్ ఉంది, 5 పోకెబాల్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. హౌ అబౌట్ క్యాచింగ్ సమ్ పోకెమాన్స్? లెట్స్ గో. టాచిక్ని పట్టుకుందామా వద్దా? పట్టుకుందాం, నాకు కావాలి టాచ్. మై గాడ్. Tachik was caught. Tachik data was added to the Pokédex. No. చూసారు ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎంత కష్టపడి ఒక పోకెమాన్ పట్టుకున్నాం. వాట్ అబౌట్ అండ్ అనదర్ పోకెమాన్? మీరేమంటారు? ఓకే, మనం ర్యాల్స్ని పట్టుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం ఈసారి. మనం టార్జిక్ని డెవలప్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి నేను టార్జిక్తో ఆడతాను. ముందు మనం వెళ్ళి ర్యాల్స్ని పట్టుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, చూసారా మనకి రాల్స్ దొరికింది. రాల్స్ని అబ్జర్వ్ యూస్ చేస్తే ఇంకోసారి అబ్జర్వ్ ప్లీజ్. క్లియర్ ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ ఒకటి పని చేయాలి. నో పని చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఓడించేద్దాం. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ర్యాల్స్ మనకు దక్కలేదు కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ట్రై చేద్దాం. ర్యాల్స్ కోసం ఏముంటుందో. పోకీమార్ట్ ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెళ్ళి మనం ర్యాల్స్ కోసం ట్రై చేద్దాం. పడింది. ఓకే, టార్చ్ లెవెల్ 5 అయింది. లెవెల్ 6 కూడా అయింది. లెవెల్ 7 కూడా అయింది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనకి రాల్స్ దొరికేసింది. అమ్మ, కష్టపడి రాల్స్ని పట్టుకున్నాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇప్పుడు మనం హీల్ చేసుకుందాం వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను చెప్పినట్టు 2 పోకీమాన్స్ని పట్టుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో మనం, నాకు చెప్పడం సరిగ్గా రాదు కానీ ఓకే, పీటర్బర్గ్ ఆ సిటీకి వెళ్ళి ఆపేద్దాం. ఓకే, did you just become a trainer? We are both beginners. I called you because I thought I could beat you. I am going to keep winning and aim to be the best trainer. Help me further my career. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీకు చెప్పినట్టు పీటర్బర్గ్ సిటీకి వచ్చేసాను. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.